All right, let's see what we got in the box. Aha, it looks like we're going to be putting together a dining chair. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll get everything out and see what we have to do. Got to keep those. I'm going to set them over to the side. It looks like it has, let's say, one here, one here. All right, so anyway, here's the two, looks like they're bases, and they could probably go like this. They'll probably go like that. So let's set these over here. And there's two more. Oh, wait a minute. I think we got more tools. So these are blue ones. I don't know. That's a different size one. All right, then we got these. We got two of these things. All right. Oh, look. We got another one of these. So it looks like each one of these chairs, I have one of these things to do it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything in it. So let me get these out of here. Go ahead and get this out of here. Oh, wow. Wow, these are nice. Look at that. Holy cow. It's all leather. All right, leather. And here's where this is where we're screwing the things in. So that should be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and do this one. All right, so I'm just gonna set it down like that. And then basically, I think that these are gonna go on like this. And let me see if here's the hole. Or maybe it's gotta go this way. Because right here is gonna be this one of these braces. I think we only got two braces. Yeah, because look, they got the holes here. So, and are these the same? That's the question. They're basically the same, right? I would have to think. And then this right here, you're gonna be screwing some things in. So I think it's gonna kind of go like this. I think we'll end up having like that, and then like that. Oh, like that? Yeah, so I've got to find one to match up with this. So this, these go like that. Then the thing would be in the back. I think that's how it's going to go. So let's set these down. And then this is going to go from this to this, in the middle, right? So let's go ahead. Let's take a look. We've got 4 of these, 2 of these, and these are different sizes. That doesn't make a lot of sense. I would think that these 4 would be there, and that these 2 would be on here. But let's go ahead and we'll give it a shot and see what happens. So we just got to open this up. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll try these. Whoops. Well, I think they just gave us 2 extras. I think that's what those are. You know what I mean? I think these are extra screws in case you lose some. So anyway, set that down. And I've got to get these out of here. So I need 4 of them. Got them, right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just put them in there. Like this. You follows me? Just putting them in. Just going to get them started. like that. I don't want to tighten them all the way down because I got to get this pole in there. So we'll leave that like that. So we'll leave that there. And so now I'm going to come over on the other side, do the same thing. There we go. Well, the question is, this has to go here, so this is going to come all the way up. So we want to get them a little bit tighter. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So I'm just going to kind of get them a little tighter, but loose enough so I can move this. Now it's usually advisable to read the directions, but we like to try to figure it out like a puzzle, don't we? I mean, that's our shtick. A lot of people say you should read the directions, but if you read the directions, that's not fun. It's more fun just trying to figure it out. Okay? So now we've got it a little bit tighter, not too tight, because we want to be able to move it, right? And then now we can get our screws in here, right? And put our brace on. So now I got to get these out of here, right? These long ones. So we got 2 of them. And then we'll start on this side first. So I got to put it through here, right? Putting it through. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of screw this like this. And then we'll just get it started. Righty-tighty, right? And we could actually just tighten this one down, and then we'll figure out where we're gonna move our bracing parts. All right, so that one's in there, right? So now, if I come over here, I can just go ahead and get this one started too. All right, and then we'll tighten those other ones down. So I just gotta get it started. And then we'll just go ahead and get it tight. It follows me? Yeah. Whoops, dropped it. Don't want to do that. And you want to get this bend even on here, I think. I think that's what we want to do. And if we tighten these down, then we can figure out where we're going to like balance these. Okay, so look, now we can just kind of get these where we want them, so they're pretty even. You know what I mean? And then we can go ahead and tighten those down. So I think that's kind of what we want to do, right? And then we'll start with this one. I think I'm going to go this way. These are pretty nice chairs, I gotta say. Not bad. We were just starting to get them like tightened. They're making a weird noise. So there's 2 of these, so I gotta do 2. But let's get this one done first and look at it and see what it looks like. And then I'll put the other one together. But it's gonna go together the exact same way, so you don't have to be watching. You do 2 of them. I think 1 will suffice for the for you guys to understand how to do it. I'm just going around. I'm going from this one to this one to this one. Yeah. I think we're good. Now we can just flip it over and look at it. There it is. There's our chair. Wow, is that nice? That is really nice. Woo! What do you guys think? Looks great. I think I'm going to take it out here, put it in the living room. set it right out there. All right, so here it is. Check it out. What do you guys think? Looks pretty cool. I gotta say, it's a nice chair. Really nice. Highly recommend getting one of these, or two of them. All right, I gotta go build the other one. All right, chair number 2, let's do it. Get our screws in. Whoops, that'll happen. The matching chairs, and I gotta say, they're nice. Oh man, really nice. Not bad, I'd highly recommend getting them. Check them out. Give you a back view. See that? Simple to put together. You can see, very easy. And only took me probably a half hour to do it. So yeah, highly recommend these bad boys right here on Amazon. All right, let's test it out, see what we think. Oh yeah, not bad. Super soft. Woo. Here you can take a look at the bottom. Easy to put together. All comes with 4 screws here, screw here, and an Allen wrench, and you just chop them right down in there. Tighten it down, got to even it off, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You got 2 sweet chairs to relax in. Peace out.